Hello. What are mutually exclusive events? So these are events that cannot occur at the same time. So A and B. A and B are mutually exclusive. Okay, if they have no common element. So let's say this is a set A. Over here it has got 1, 2, and 3. Set B has got A, B, C. And they say probability, or let me just say A intersect B. What is A intersect B? It's empty, or it's just a 0. If it's a probability, it's just a 0. Okay? When getting a probability, if they say probability of A intersect B, will just a 0, will just be a 0. This is what we're talking about. So when you find that the probability of A intersect B is 0, just know that this is mutually exclusive. Okay? So let's try to do an example using the Venn diagrams. So let's check. Can you see the Venn diagrams on top? Now, which one among the Venn diagrams can you say is mutually exclusive? Of course, the first one, the one with separate sets without an intersection. So this is the mutually exclusive. Why are we saying it's mutually exclusive? Because of this property which says that mutually exclusive events do not have common elements, meaning there is no intersection. Here, do you have an intersection? No. But the next one is not mutually exclusive. Why are we saying this is not mutually exclusive? Very simple. We are saying this is not mutually exclusive because there is an intersection here which kills this property. Because this property says if the intersection or probability of the intersection of these two sets is 0, okay, meaning it's mutually exclusive. But if it's not, that entails us that what we're dealing with is not mutually exclusive. Let's check the formulas. So there are basically 3 formulas that you need to know. Formulas. So the first formula is probability of A intersect B is equal to 0. The next one will be probability of A union B will be equal to what? To probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersect B. Okay? The other one will just be probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. That's all. So these 3 formulas are the formulas that you need to know. The first one here is a property of mutually exclusive events. The next one here is the probability of not mutually exclusive event. This is a property, this is a formula, okay? These 2 are formulas. So if 2 sets are not mutually exclusive, use this formula. If they are mutually exclusive, use this formula. So what do I mean by saying if 2 formulas and two sets are not mutually exclusive? Let me give you an example. Let's check. All right, so here we've got an example. So we have We have been given the possible outcomes of a dice over here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a sample space. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Set B is equal to 4, 5, 6. Set C is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hopefully you can see nicely. So now, the first question they ask us to find the probability of A intersect B. So among the formulas, which formula are we supposed to use for us to find this? Okay? There is no formula to use here. You just check. Okay? For you to find the probability of this, you just check. Do we have an intersection here? No. The probability will just be 0 because there is no intersection. This entails that we are dealing with the mutually exclusive events. A and B are mutually exclusive events. Let's go to another question. This is question A. For B, they said we find probability of B union C. So what is the probability of B union C? The first thing is to check, do we have an intersection? Are they mutually exclusive, these two, B union C? B and C, do you have anything common? Yes, 5 and 6, they are common here. So meaning these two are not mutually exclusive. So for not mutually exclusive, we use the formula over here. This is the formula we use for not mutually exclusive. So what is the probability of B? Is 3 over 6. So you just check 3. How many do you have? 1, 2, 3. 3 over 6 plus the probability of C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 over 6 minus what's the probability of B intersect C. So how many elements are common here? 1, 2. They are just 2. So it's 2 over 6. So you just solve now. This is 6 over 3 plus 5 minus 2, which is equal to, here is 6 over 6. Am I doing the right thing? Yeah. This is 3, 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3, 6. So the probability of B union C is just 1. Let's go to C. C, they are saying probability of A union B. The probability of A union B, if you check nicely, okay, will be probability of A plus probability of B. We are not going to do the minus. This is the formula we're going to use. The reason why you are not subtracting the intersection of these two is because these are mutually exclusive. Okay? For this, they were not mutually exclusive. They had something in common. But for A and B, they don't have anything in common. That means we're going to use this formula. So probability of A is 3 over 6 plus probability of B is also 3 over 6. Here we have 6 over 6, which is also equal to 1. So our lesson ends here. Thank you very much for watching. Let's hope you have learned 1 or 2 things. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos. Bye-bye.